Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. You've probably seen this style floating around your For You page or your Explorer pages, and that's simply because it is hot right now, and that is the knotless twist or Senegalese twist. Whatever you want to call it, that's what we're doing today. While it looks easy to do, it actually requires more skill than you think because it can be rather difficult to switch from 3 strands to 2 strands and have an even twist. But don't worry, you know I always have a step-by-step easy method for you to follow along with, so if you want to see how we achieve this look, make sure you stay tuned. Now, if you're new to Braid School, I already have a knotless passion twist tutorial, which I will link in the cards above, but this style is a little bit different. It's going to require regular braiding hair, and today we're using the standard expressions braiding hair in the color 1B27. This is my client's hair. It's already clean and blown out, and I went ahead and started my bricklay pattern on one side, and I'm just going to match the other side of the head with the lines I've already created. We're also doing a medium size, but the most of the pictures and videos you might see will be on the smaller side, and if you're a client looking to book this style with VLS hair, you would just simply book this under knotless braids. The pricing is still the same. Alright, so today I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this, and I will also give you a few different camera angles so that you can see different hand placements. If you need a refresher on how to start a knotless braid, check out the previous tutorials, especially this one where we talk about the rule of 3 and the importance of prepping with even strands. This first method we're starting with, we're going to start by inserting 3 strands to start a 3-strand knotless braid. You're going to braid down about 1 inch and then split the hair into 2 strands to begin twisting. The downside to this method is when splitting the hair, it can be difficult to get a seamless transition between the 3-strand braid and the 2-strand twist. And you spend a little extra time measuring the size of each strand. Whatever direction you twist is fine, but like a rope, you want to twirl each strand in the same direction, but then cross them in the opposite direction. In this demo, I'm twirling each strand to the right, then crossing right over left. You also have to remember to keep your tension all the way down the twist. Now you'll continue twisting all the way down to the ends. However, in this demo, the inspo pics that she provided me had wavy ends, so I'm going to stop a few inches before the bottom and tie the twist off. For added security, I'm going to drop a tiny bit of nail glue on the knot. Typically, I wouldn't have to do this with braids, but twists are on the looser side, so we just want a little added security for that knot. In this second method, I'm going to add in 3 normal strands, but instead of adding at each rotation, I'm going to skip the second rotation. Doing this will uneven the distribution of the strands, and when we get to the split, you should have 2 small strands and 1 large one. Then all you do is gather the 2 smaller strands together and just start twisting. Doing this, you should find that getting them even on each side a whole lot easier. Here you can see I have the 2 smaller strands on the right and the larger strand on the left. By gathering the 2 smaller ones, I should have 2 even strands to begin twisting. Here is a top view if you insert your hair overhand. Just remember to skip that second rotation. So don't insert hair at that second rotation. Keep it going and then continue inserting the hair. Now, if you're doing longer twists and need to extend the hair, or if you want to add in curly pieces, here's how you do it. You're going to insert a very small piece in between each strand and twirl each strand together in the same direction. Once you get them locked in, then you can continue crossing left over right or right over left, whichever direction you were going in. Now that we're done with the install, I'm going to set her foundation with the Braided Beauty Collection Style and Set Foam. And while the water is boiling, I'm going to braid down her ends so that we can get that wavy effect. And here's our lovely model. I tell you, there's nothing like getting fresh braids, baby. She was feeling herself so much, she had to make a video ASAP. So that's it. Pretty easy. As always, if you learned something new today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and tell a friend. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more content just like this. Drop your questions in the comment box below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.